Okay, good morning. Siguro just an emphasis ulit, no? Carrying over from the lecture part of the spinal orthosis. Wearing time. When do we need to wear rigid spinal orthosis again? Kailan natin siya dapat na isusuot o sinusuot sa pasyente? Anong activities? ABS specifically in what position? Basta any activity that the patient needs to go upright. So once umupo yung patient, dapat suot na yung brace. Okay? So, sir, kapag nakahiga po, would it be necessary for the patient to use this? No. Kasi una-una, hindi naman siya upright. So relax naman yung spine. Pangalawa, it would be very uncomfortable for your patient na nakasupine siya na may suot na spinal orthosis. Can you imagine, yung mga nag-practice kanina, pinag-practicean kanina na na suotan, ano yung feeling na suot na yung brace na nakahiga? Di ba para kayong humihiga sa papag, no? Very uncomfortable. No? So, it would be necessary for your patient to don the brace once your patient goes upright. Sa clinic, sa MRC before, no, when we have patients who would require donning and doffing of your brace, backrest elevation up to 30 degrees, medyo okay pa na walang suot. Kasi hindi pa ganun kalaki yung loading sa spine. But once you do 45 degrees of backrest elevation, medyo necessary na kasi you're starting to load the spine already. No? So, at 45 degrees, as much as you can, dapat suot na. Dapat available na yung rigid spinal orthosis. We are talking about the rigid spinal orthosis. So, for upright, wala dapat tayong makikita na nakaupo yung patient tsaka lang nagsusuot ng brace. Because the purpose is defeated already. No? Baka nakaupo yung pasyente, magkaroon ng maling ikot, balik. No? So, dapat once bumangon yung patient, once there is loading already on the spine, suot na ng patient yung spinal orthosis. Is that clear? So wala tayong makikita, especially from you. No, we expect more from you kasi kayo yung nag-hands-on sa, yes, meron tayo expectation sa kanila ngayon. We expect much from you, lalo na pag nag-internship kayo. If you go to internship. Joke lang. Kapag nag-internship.
Sir, medyo stress na ako.
Joke lang. We are confident that you will reach internship. Once you go to internship, we expect that somehow you would have the knowledge, proper skills on proper donning, doffing, and check-out, most especially of the spinal orthosis. Kasi marami kayong makikita cases na ito. So, okay yun for the rigid spinal orthosis. Sir, kapag flexible orthosis, yung corset, pwede po ba siyang isuot na nakaupo o nakatali? Bakit? Kasi relatively, your flexible spinal orthosis will just provide additional feedback, sensory feedback. It improves stability of the spine somehow by increasing the intra-abdominal pressure. Pero wala naman tayong spinal instability. So okay lang na isuot yung corset na nakaupo or nakatayo. Kasi mas madali din naman natin siyang i-posisyon kasi minsan hanggang lalo yung lumpusical corset na maabot dito. Okay, ito easy. Okay, sir, kapag hindi suot ng pasyente yung rigid spinal orthosis, ano yung mga restrictions sa kanya? Bed mobility. So, ano yung thoughts niyo? What would be possible restrictions or precautions for your patient kapag hindi niya suot yung brace, rigid spinal brace? What do you think would be possible precautions or restrictions for your patient? Kapag nag-bed mo? Sorry? Ano? Short sitting? Hindi, kapag supine lang, mag-bed move lang yung patient. Turning. So, anong klaseng turning ang pwedeng gawin lang ng patient? Lag roll siya. Very good. So, log roll
Pwede
na.
pang segmental.
Kasi kapag naalala nyo pa yung log roll from intro to PT?
Yung sabay-sabay yung...
Sige, demonstrate. Sa tingin nga, log roll.
Segmental? O log roll?
Sige.
Full body will return.
Okay,
No, yung ano po, parang for supine po as
forward ka ba? Ay, move. Head of pen. HOB. Naalala nyo ba ang HOB? Sa documentation, get and back. HOB is head of pen.
Head of bed.
Hindi tayo ng get and back. Baka may masundot lang tayo for documentation. Sige. Habang nagde-demo si Mikey, mag-annotate ako. May annotation. Okay, when doing bed move, you have to have your patient move to one side kasi you have to prepare the turning space. So very good, Mikey. Okay, so at least na-ready yung turning space. And turning should be always towards the direction of the PT. So hindi tayo mag-bed move na pagano. Okay? So laging pahila towards the direction of the PT. Okay. Saan ang hand contact? Shoulder and pelvis.
Ano mas madali yung turning?
So very good.
Pero hindi po
So, log rolling your trunk. So meaning shoulder and pelvis should be turning as 1 second. Mukha siyang troso dapat na umikot. Kasi ayaw natin na mangyari na while turning, merong segmental rotations in the trunk. So yun yung iniwasan natin. Wala na for cases of spinal instability. Clear? Okay, sige. Thank you. Now, anong spinal orthosis na ulit to? Sino yung sabing chair ba? Wala na may sabi. So this is your Jewel. Anong alternative to this? Which means?
Hyperflex.
Hyper? Extension. Okay, so, ano lang front, ano lang back?
Front po yung may tapos lang sa little like yung support sa little.
So front, ito. Okay, this would be the piece for the back. So hindi na siya full front abdominal support. No? So full back, ano tawag dito? Sige, back support na lang lagyan natin dito. So same mechanism. Kasi kung nasa harap yung full front abdominal support. Kasi ikaw lang yung apat pagkakasyahan, Mike. So same. Sorry. Same, have the patient, kunwari nakaganyan, no? So, prepare muna. So, on one side, unstrap para at least ready siya na isuot sa patient. So, make sure necessary landmark, so pelvis, just above the sternum. So, kapag, syempre dito, customized per Mikey. So, Mikey, so kamo. Okay. So, safe. Log rolling pa din tayo. Okay. So, make sure lang yung straps easy to, madali nyo na siya isok-sok sa ilalim. Kasi later on kapag sinot natin siya, mas madali natin siyang i-secure sa likod. So, we will be turning towards one side next. Okay, 1, 2, 3, better. Pa-standby lang. Can we turn a little more? Babak tayo. Ikot. Yan. Yan yung sinasabi ko, dapat madali natin itong masungkit. No? So, Kasi susungkitin, we will hook it from sideline. So dapat madali natin siyang mahila. No? Okay, bend your knee. Okay, paki-lag roll towards it. Thank you very much. So, hihilain lang.
Kasi parang sinok sa ilalim para pag vlog mo niya lain na ng palabas.
I mean, hindi na po sabay yung gas. Parang sa sakit.
Ha?
Kasi di ba po yung sa abdomen, sinasabay yung sa
Hindi naman. Kasi kapag naka-sideline naman, wala pa naman tayong
wala na din pag inhibit siya.
once you establish na
Wala rin po itong specific order ng person.
wala na. So secure. No? Kapag nasa harap yung abdominal support, don't necessarily inhale, exhale kasi you try to build up, you try to increase intra-abdominal support. Pero kung nasa likod, wala naman, di naman necessarily. Kasi this would specifically just prevent flexion. Okay, so sige, ihaya tayo. So back, ayusin lang yung fit. So, since hindi naman to specific, no, medyo maluwag to for my feet. Okay, now, sige, try natin siya iupo. Sige man, upo tayo towards dangling. So, bend your knees. Sideline. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now, I want you to prop yourself. Going up. So, lower po yung katawan ng sabay. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So, yan. Same mechanism lang for check-out. No? You check out for alignment of the thoracic and the pelvic band. Then, check also for the fit. Then, movements, no, yung movement restriction, you also check. So, for this, dapat mag-prevent na mag-flexion. Okay. So, nalilimit naman. Okay, so this is your duet brace. Okay. Usually mistaken for chair back kasi nga wala siyang upright. No, but pag nakita niyo yung thoracic band niya, medyo may bewang umakyat ng konti. So, that would mean, kasi kapag thoracic band diretso, likod dapat yun. No? But when you see it, meron siyang curve to accommodate some body parts. No? So, yan. It's anterior dapat. Okay? Tapos same thing for dolphin. Pag hinubad, any rigid orthosis, dapat huhubarin din siya na nakahiga. So, higa ulit natin si patient. Up, safe. Sideline muna. Okay. Then, flat on back. Okay. Then po here. Okay. Lag roll. Maski suot yung spinal brace, lag rolling pa rin, ha? Okay, and then ang i-unhook natin yung nasa bottom part pa din.
Either way.
Okay. Para ipa-flap over nyo na lang to. Then, supine po tayo. Ihaya. 1, 2, 3. Okay, para hila na lang. Okay? So, good. Thank you.
Thanks, sir.